I'm sure you've heard the news. Honda Ridgeline 4WD issues are more common than you think. Let's break down why your Honda Ridgeline's 4WD might not be working. First, check the. If you see any warning lights, it's a sign something's up. Next, a blown fuse can easily stop your 4WD in its tracks. Simply replace the fuse and see if that fixes it. Now let's talk. Low transmission fluid can affect the 4WD system. Make sure levels are topped up and the fluid is clean. Still not working? It could be your Honda Ridgeline has sensors that communicate with the 4WD system. If they're dirty or damaged, your 4WD might not engage. Clean or replace these sensors for a possible fix. Finally, consider over time it can wear out or get damaged. If you hear strange noises or feel vibrations, it might be the drive shaft. Get it inspected by a professional. Remember, regular maintenance is key. Keep an eye on these points to keep your Ridgeline running smoothly. Thanks for watching.